up? It's Kristen. Today I'm here to do another makeup tutorial for you. I got some feedback that you guys do like these type of videos, so I'm going to keep doing them for you. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. My name is Kristen. I do Stitch Fix unboxings and like Amazon Prime unboxings, and now I'm also doing makeup tutorials, and then I'm going to do also cleaning and organizing videos as the year goes on. So please let me know if you like these kind of videos, and keep on watching if you want to see going from this to a full transformation. So stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm going to moisturize my face with the Clinique ID Oil Control Gel. And next, what I'm going to use is the Tati Beauty Blendable, and I'm going to be using a new foundation that I absolutely love. It is the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This stuff is amazing. I use the color 2.18, and this is for light to medium and neutral undertones. So let's get to this. So I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette as my mirror here, so just bear with me. I'm gonna put a little bit on the face. This stuff is such full coverage that you only need a little bit. This is probably way too much, so take some and put it down here. Okay, and then next we're going to take the Tati Blendable. I've already used this, as you can tell, and I do like it. It's really nice. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm trying not to show this in here, so I'm gonna take it, and you can swipe, you can dab, whatever you like. You're supposed to use tapping motions, I think they said. So that's what we'll do. This stuff actually makes the foundation go a little bit farther than it usually does. Okay, so there it is. It actually looks really nice. Next, we're gonna go in with my powder, and I'm gonna use the same powder that I always use in light medium. It's the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I tap a little bit. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use something different. I am going to not use that one, and I'm going to use the CoverGirl True Blend foundation that I use, and this is in Translucent Honey. So this is what it looks like here. It has a cute little mirror, and I'm going to take my kabuki brush and put this all over the face. I'm not using concealer today because I'm not really doing anything. The day's almost over. I just wanted to get some good light and do another makeup tutorial for you guys, because you did say you did like these. So here it is all over. I think it looks really nice. Okay, and next we're gonna get into is the bronzer, and I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Forever Kissed bronzer. I think I got this at Target, so I'm gonna take my brush and go in. And this is a really pretty color. Looks really nice. Put this all over the face. So pretty. Okay, next we're gonna go in with our regular blush, and it's the Wet n Wild Mellow Wine Blush, which is my go-to. And put this on the cheeks. There we go. Okay, then next we're going to use highlighter, which is our regular highlighter that I always use, is the Master Chrome by Maybelline. Here it is. Only going to do a little bit of bronzer today. Like I said, I really don't need it. Okay. Next, we're going to go in with we're going to do eyeshadow. So we're going to use the Sephora Pro palette, and this is the Warm palette, and I absolutely love this. Look at the colors, they're beautiful. This reminds me of like a Natasha Denona palette, but I absolutely love this. Okay, so first we're going to go in with, let's see, what color do I want to go in with today? So I'm going to mix these two colors here and put this in my crease. These colors are so pigmented. This palette though, it gives a lot of fallout, so just FYI. Okay, so there is that. And next we're gonna go in with this, let's see, this darker color right here, just to a little bit in the crease, because like I said, these are so pigmented. So we're just gonna take a little bit and put this in the crease. There we go, just a little bit. And then on the outer corner, we are going to go in with this color right here. Mixture of these two. A mixture, I'd say, of these two colors here. So let's put these on the outer corner. And then on the lid, we're going to use this brush and go in with gold. And I love gold lids, so we're going to go with this color right here. So there is the eye look. It's not super crazy, so I'm going to throw a little bit of lighter gold in there as well to lighten it up. And there is like so much fallout from this palette, but I love it so much. So there we go. All right, I'm not going to do any eyeliner today because like I said, I'm not going out anywhere. So next we're going to do is the eyebrows. And then we're going to do some eyeshadow and lipstick. And then that's it. It's just a simple look today. Super easy. And it's just something that can probably get you under 15 minutes. So let's do the eyebrows right now. Okay, so I use the Natasha Denona Dip Brow in the color Chocolate. And I do love that. I always put it in the lid and then take it and like put my brush in there and get some of the excess off. Let's fill in the brow. Sorry about the dogs barking in the background. You can hear them. So that's the first eyebrow. And then the next one, let's do that. Okay, here we go. And you can hear my dog howling. Awesome. Well, both of them actually. They're howling. Probably there's another dog walking It is what it is. It's real life. Okay. Put a little bit more on, and they're in the room next to me. That's why you can hear them. Okay. All right. Hold on one second here. Okay, so there we go. There are the eyebrows. And next, what we're gonna do is use my favorite combination of eyelash mascara. So we do the Essence Volume Booster, the Lash Primer, and then we use the False Lash Effect by Essence as well. These are super cheap. You can probably get this for under like $9 for both of these, and I think they are amazing. So let's put this on. And then, okay, and next we're gonna use the mascara. Here we go. Bear with me with these tutorials. I'm just starting out and doing these, and sorry if this is in your way. I'm so sorry. Okay. Okay. That mascara is amazing. So next we're gonna do lips. I think we're just gonna do the normal. We can do something, I don't know. My eyes are kind of dark, so we need something a little bit lighter. This color I have from Bare Minerals and Scandal, and this is a lot darker, so I don't know if we want to do something dark and then lighten it up. Let's do that. Let's just do it, and then we can always lighten up the center. All right, so this is going to be a darker lip. It's a darker lip. And then I'm gonna throw a little bit of light in the middle to lighten it up. There we go. That's better. Okay, so in the middle, I used my usual Mega Last Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in Rebel Rose, and I love that. And there you have it. This is a simple makeup tutorial. I think the lips are a little bit too dark, but we'll just go with it. It looks okay. I love the eyes and how they turned out. And there you have it. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, please like and subscribe. If you like these type of videos, I will keep making them. So bye.